Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. I'm so glad to say that we finally started purchasing cute outfits for baby. I'm done with my doctor's appointment and I just got to know that the baby is in breech position, and to turn the baby I'll have to do few exercises which is going to be painful. Hopefully the baby turns and comes in the right position so that I'll not have to undergo a procedure. The doctor explained me about the procedure and it really sounded scary, so I'm a bit nervous about it, hoping for the best. Started exercising regularly, and as you can see I'm crying because I had bad abdominal pain. Thanks to Chandan and auntie that they were so calm and they tried to console me. They were really my strength. Meanwhile, we started organizing baby stuff and we built this crib. It's time to pack hospital bag, so I started with baby stuff and it's all done. Grandma is super excited to see the baby in this cute blanket. There you go. I really could not handle the stress and there was a breakdown. I was badly missing my family. And here Chandan is trying to console me. He was trying to bring smile on my face and I'm just telling him to leave me alone for 5 minutes and I'll be back. But you know him, he did not do that.
क्या बोल के भेजो
मैं ही भेजती हूँ
भेजो
मैं भेजती हूँ
भेजो किसका हनुमंता मोती
By God's grace, I got to know that the baby turned and he's in the right position now. Following weekend, we met Kirtana's family and we had so much fun. It was really a stress buster. One last craving before the baby arrives was to have Rajwadi Thali. So we went there, enjoyed our lunch, and we came back. Just when we thought everything was going well, I started experiencing severe itching in my body, and when I talked to my doctor about this, she was worried and scheduled my blood test. I was diagnosed with cholestasis, which is related to liver during pregnancy, which isn't good for the baby, which is why my doctor advised me to immediately get hospitalized and induce labor via induction. The hospital beds were overbooked, so we had to wait for 2 more days. Meanwhile, we are cleaning the house and preparing for baby's arrival. Tati is prepping everything. Before that, some chai piyenge. Here I have just kept all the bottles, so we'll have to wash this and sterilize it later. Simultaneously, Chandan is cleaning the house, like he's helping us in cleaning the house.
I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real?
Everybody is chilling. Nesting is in process. Now I'll wash all these bottles, sterilize it, and then prep it for future use.
You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will.
It was a tiring day. I'm sleeping with the mixed emotions, nervous and happy at the same time. See you all in the morning. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.